Welcome back to video lecture part 2 from the lesson The Thief's Story. Let's begin video lecture part 2. In the first video, I have given you the complete explanation of the lesson. Now we will proceed further with the important questions or probable questions that may come in your board exams, along with the character sketch of two major personalities from the story, that is Anil and Hari Singh. My dear students, the important notes related to this lesson, the answers of the previous home assignment, and today's home assignment I have given in the PDF file. Let's begin. Important question, children, for 2 marks. What did Anil and Hari agree upon to be mode of payment? When Anil stated his inability to pay Hari, Anil questioned Hari if he could feed Hari. Hari realized that he had misjudged his target and molded the situation for his benefit. Anil then agreed to feed him if he knew how to cook. I hope, children, you understood. I have brought some questions here for oral discussion so that you can easily understand the chapter. Did Hari like working for Anil? Give reasons in support of your answer. Yes, Hari liked working for Anil. He was happy to carry on the course for him and was grateful for the education he was receiving. He used to make profit about ₹1 a day as well, which was a decent amount besides being fed. State the events that took place on the night of the theft. After stealing Anil's money and leaving Anil's house, Hari went to the railway station but didn't board the train to Lucknow. He walked slowly through the bazaar as he did not know anyone who would provide him shelter except Anil, for he didn't have any friends. He was forced to take shelter under the clock tower later when it started raining heavily. Next question. In which queer way did Anil make a living? Anil made a living by writing for magazines which seemed queer for Hari because the money was earned by fits and starts and not on a regular basis. Now, one very major important question for long answer type I have brought before you for oral discussion, children. It may come in 8 marks. Money can't make a man as much as education can. Elucidate the statement in reference to this story. The statement stands true in almost all the aspects of life. Money may buy us all the luxuries and fulfill our needs, but it cannot buy us knowledge, civilized thinking, skills, and abilities to achieve our dreams. Education lays the platform for all to act upon our goals according to our abilities. Education, my dear students, enables us to keep up with the fast moving world. It opens the door to opportunities which we do not know even exist. Money, on the other hand, can assist us to a certain level. It can buy us a plan, but education gives us the knowledge of its execution. Just as in the story, A Thief's Story. Hari Singh befriends the struggling author Anil in the plans of making a steel. Anil, the author, is a good fellow and wants to teach Hari Singh how to read and write. Gradually, he develops trust in Hari Singh. But Hari Singh has been waiting for the right movement to steal the valuables of Anil. After stealing money from Anil, Hari Singh tries to give away forever. But some inner voice stops him from doing so. He returned to Anil because he wants to live a life of respect. This shows that Hari Singh prioritized the chance of being liberated over a few hundred rupees. We must understand that education can help us to achieve whatever we desire. Now, let's go ahead with the character sketch of Hari. I have given you point-wise, children. Later you can convert it into form of statements in the paragraph. 15-year-old fair-handed thief, keen on learning how to read and write. Very skillful and experienced thief. So experienced robber that he knows how different people will react when they are robbed. Great knowledge of human behavior or to understand strangers. He knew that simple looking persons could be robbed easily. He was clever enough to change his name to keep himself away from the police and his former employers. He was perfect in telling lies. He had a desire to become a big man in life. He robbed Anil of his 600 rupees. But in one corner of his heart, there was a sense of trust and goodness. He thought that he should not betray Anil. He had the ambition of becoming a big man, and he knew that he could realize his ambition only when he is educated. Thus, he was an interesting personality. Next, character sketch of Anil. A young man of 25 years, a tall and lean fellow, easygoing and kind, an intellectual man, wrote for news and magazines and earned his living, not well to do, lived a life of struggle for survival. He was a thinker too. He forgave the thief Hari Singh. It showed his ideology of reformation of social evils. Had understanding of Hari Singh's behavior. He treated him psychologically and reformed him in the end. Thus, behaved like a thinker and idealist. So here I end the video lecture, children. Hope you understood. So today's class over. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. All extra things you are going to get in the PDF file. Thank you.